Hello and welcome. My name is Steve Rafter and I'm the Managing Director at Valley Manor Investment Management. I wanted to thank you for stopping in and checking out this introductory video for our financial series that's going to be following. First, I'll tell you a little bit about myself and what to expect from the series of videos that will follow. So I started out in the financial services industry in 2007, worked for a couple of the large brokerage firms and banks throughout the United States. Really enjoyed the work that I did, had an opportunity to meet a lot of very interesting people and learn quite a bit. But I decided to start Valley Manor Investment Management in 2017 with a singular focus. I really wanted to make sure I could help people make the best choices they can when it comes to their money. So with this video series, that's what we're looking to accomplish. We're going to start with some very basic concepts and move through up the ladder to some more complex issues or scenarios that you might find yourself in. The objective with these videos is to give you the understanding of how different investments work, how different strategies can be utilized, so that when it comes time for you to make that decision, you have the confidence to be able to move forward with it. And as we're moving through this series, if there are topics or discussions that you'd like to have, feel free to send me an email so that we can put that content together for you and make sure that you have the information available. So thank you again for stopping in, and if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe to our channel and share the videos with your friends. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next series.